Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to attend WebEx training as a participant. So once you receive an email from us for invitation to the training session, you'll have to go through this link. To join the training session, you have to go through this link. So once you go to the link, you have to fill in your details. Now here I would like to tell you one thing, that please fill up your name as the same by which you have registered in our website, in NITA's website. Because if you fill a different name, then what will happen is that once the attendance is generated out of this session, if it is different from the one you have registered in a website, you will be marked absent. So please be very careful. To give you a demonstration, what I'll do is, suppose I have registered in the website as Ritula Thakur, but here in the session, I log in as Ananya, thinking it doesn't matter. So what will happen is that once the attendance is generated, the name will appear as Ananya and not as Ritula Thakur. And that way you will not be marked present. Okay. Then fill up your email ID. And say join now. Now, because you're doing it for the first time, you will be getting this executable file. Just run it. You have to do it only for the first time, not every time. Okay. It will take some time for the first time depending upon your internet speed. You can also run a temporary application to join the meeting immediately, but I would suggest that you run it so that you don't have to go through this procedure every time. And regarding the name, please note that you have to put the name every time you join any session. So please be very careful about the name. Okay, so now it is connecting. My executable file is running. So the Cisco WebEx training page has opened now. As you can see that the host is already joined. Okay, and I am joined here as an attendee by the name Ananya, by which I had logged in. Now, the very first thing you have to do is you have to join this audio conference. Now, note that you have to join this audio conference every time you join any of the session. So please do not ignore this, because if you do not join this audio conference, you will not be able to ask questions from the host, from the teacher. So what you have to do is just do call using computer. Don't click this leave audio conference, just cross it there. So you can see that your icon appears here, and by default you have been muted by the host. It is by their own setting. Okay, now what will happen, suppose the presenter, they share some content with you. Let me just share it from my other PC as a host. So you will be able to see it here, whatever they're sharing there. So you'll be able to see it here. Now, in between, suppose you want to ask something, you can go to the chat box and ask. Say, please repeat again. So the host will get this message. Okay. So you can send this message to the host privately. And if you want your question to be appear to others also, so you can just select all panelists. So suppose you want them to unmute you. So you can say, please unmute me. So everybody will be able to see your question. So you can go to the chat. Apart from that, you can see other participants also. And also you can request the teacher to annotate. So you can just request them. So the host has given you the approval. So you can just start annotating now. Okay. So these are all the things you can do while the session is going on. Another thing is that suppose you want you want to ask some question, you can go here and raise your hand. So just raise your hand. So the host will see that you have raised your hand, and then they can unmute you. So all these things you have to keep in mind while you are participating in the session. And once you want to leave the session, just go to File and leave the training session. So this is how you can participate as a participant in the WebEx training. I hope this was useful to you. Thank you.